How to turn off comments on Facebook posts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards your profile. At the top left corner, you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now scroll down. Find the post in which you want to turn off the comment. I'm gonna turn off comment for this one post. At the top right of the post, you will find three dots. Tap on it. With that, different options will appear. Go to the option of who can comment on this post, open it. You can set it to public, friends and established followers, friends, or profile and pages you mention. In order to turn off comment for this post, you have to select the option of profiles and pages you mention. After you select it, tap on done. With that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily turn on Facebook post. By applying the same process, you are able to turn off comment for other posts as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.